Hey, come make chili with me. Today is the annual chili competition at my work. The prize is a trophy, which I won last year. Today, I have to defend my title in order to keep the trophy. The trophy is super important to me because when my kids sit there and don't want to eat what I cook, I point at it and say, your mom is an award-winning chef. So wish me luck. Here's my chili recipe. Well, I didn't win. I got third place. So guess what, guys? Now you've got a third place chili recipe. That's all right. We'll get them next year.